Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. We're going to dig in to a little crypto today. If you're new to the page, follow that prompt there in your lower right-hand corner. Like, subscribe, and that notification bell, all right? So let's dig into these markets and see what's going on. I know some are panicking, but we need to find out what's going on and why, right? So let's go here. Why is crypto down today? Bitcoin tech stock falls as economic strength, not bad news, but strength challenges rate cuts. Okay. So here's what's going on. I talked about it on the earlier video today. The crypto and traditional markets experienced significant decline on January 7, 2025, primarily driven by stronger than anticipated economic indicators that could delay anticipated Federal Reserve rate cuts, right? Bitcoin dropped to 96.900 market and over 5% decline in the past 24 hours. The sharp correction saw over 483.44 million in long positions liquidated within 24 hours, according to CoinGlass data. All right. So what's going on? We actually had good news. Remember, the Fed said that he is focusing on the jobs, okay? And so because the data came in the way that it did, the JOLTS and the JOLTS IMS came in, and so if the job market is strong, then the Fed is less likely to cut interest rates. Follow? So we're back into this vicious cycle where good news is bad news and bad news is good news. And I personally believe that the market overreacted. Again, I believe that the market overreacted. Let's take a looky here, right? We could see what's going on with the bubbles. Pop, 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 right? And we can see everything that's going on here, though things are changing right before my eyes because I know the XRP army, as you can see there, XRP, you can see what's going on with it right now. All right. All right. So usually I have it over here. We'll get back to it, right? We're not just going to talk about XRP. Sorry, I'm talking to you guys and I got this here. We're not just going to talk about XRP. As a matter of fact, I'm going to talk about why you should not have all your money in XRP, probably on the next video. But here's what happened today. Again, XRP got flipped by Tether, okay? Still up 12%, right? Only down in the last 24 hours by 2%, right? Dogecoin is one of the ones that actually in the last 24 hours is tanking. Remember, it was up, right? And so I personally look for what's down by double digits, okay? So I just bought a little AVAX. I was going to alert my people in my stock crypto club. Just a little because it wasn't necessary for me to buy. I just wanted a little more positions. I like buying stuff when they're double digit down, all right? I think you're going to hear a lot of bad news that's going to come behind this, and it could continue on tomorrow. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but all I know is when I see stuff like Dogecoin, you could see was down here by 12.5%. This is Coinbase. You know, when you go from the different apps, you'll see a discrepancy in price. Now, leave me a coffee cup if you remember my video from just a few days ago. It's so timely. From just a few days ago, warning you guys not to buy at the top. As a matter of fact, I just went, and I'm going to use Doge as an example. I always suggest going out the week. Remember this, okay? So if you would have went out the week, I said two places I always look at. Imagine there's a line going across here where my what do you call this? The pointer is, right? The cursor. Just imagine there's a line. So you take the top, you take the bottom, and then you draw a line right through the middle. Okay, you can do that with the other charting. Okay, I'm trying to keep this one simple. But clearly you could see if you set a buy order here at like 36, then you would have what? Boom, you would have triggered a buy. Okay, so what I do is don't set just one buy order here. I also go out a week and set a buy order here. You see that? 0.31, okay? So we have 0.35, 0.31. It's as simple as this. We overcomplicate things. Then I go out the month right behind that, and I see what the low is for the month, and I do a buy order here at 0.27, okay? So I'm just using this as an example of how to buy low. So when the market, if it does come down more and you just bought it at its current price, which sometimes is best to do if it goes down by double digits. So what I'll do is, let's say you got $100 to spend. I'll take $25 and buy it where it is, right? And then I just split it up. I'll come down in the middle and I'll do another 250, right? I'm sorry. I'll just cut the other ones up into 3 portions. All right. I don't want to complicate it. So I'll buy a little where it is. I find out where the week is, middle. I'll come buy a little bit. The low for the week, buy another one. The low for the month, set another buy order. Now, in most times they won't all trigger, but you're ready just in case we are in the midst of a flash crash. Follow? And so that's what I want you guys to be prepared for. Now, it's as simple as this. Sometimes we overcomplicate things. And for those of you that have the class, you guys already know this is how we make money. Now, as I go on my phone and I just look, I won't even look at really like Bitcoin. Ethereum is getting that threshold. But what would I look at? I would look at Bonk is down 12%. Dogecoin, you guys just saw that. Link was down a little more, so I bought a little Link. Okay, just a little, just in case there's more. And I got buy order set. Jasmy, I got a buy order set for Jasmy. I have everything I need in Ondo, all right? And I just literally just go down the chain, right? Avalanche, I bought a little Avalanche, and I'm gonna leave that right there. And I bought a little MOG coin, MOG. I bought a little MOG coin, all right? I'm just telling you guys what I bought just now before I hit the record button, but it could come lower, follow. So I'm just going to set my buy orders, let everybody else panic. Yes, we could be at the beginning of this and that. I'm just going to tell you that there's so many positive things going on along with the negative things and the sell-off, right? And so I'm not scared right now. As a matter of fact, I have some positions even in MicroStrategy that I show to people. For those of you that's in my stock crypto club, I showed you guys this. So I showed you guys where Bitcoin is go down. To really see this good, you got to go out a good month. 5 day is kind of sketchy. You can't see it really good, but just go out a month, good people. And then what I do is Bitcoin is the blue line, right? MicroStrategy is the yellow line. Hey, if it's up by double digits, meaning MicroStrategy is leading Bitcoin by double digits, you know it's coming down, all right? And especially if it hits around the 15% mark, right? And so Bitcoin becomes the magnet that what? Pulls it back down, right? So you got to track Bitcoin and MicroStrategy. Then again, we have a pull. See there? 10%. Then what? Bam, right back up. Then 9%. Bam, right back up. But it oversold right here on December 31st. And a lot of people thought it was trash. It's going down. MicroStrategy, ooh, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad. But that was a signal for me. Now, remember, Bitcoin was down by 7. So we're not talking about a full 20% spread. See? So MicroStrategy's down by 20 and Bitcoin is down by 7. Okay. So what is that? 15, 14, 13%, right? And then what? Right back up. And as we can see now, it's starting to trend down along with Bitcoin. But as you can see, Bitcoin started here, it's below. And when that gap widens, that's when I consider buying more MicroStrategy, MSTR, or MicroStrategy levered, MSTX. So there's plenty of money to be made. We buy fear, we sell greed. We buy fear, we sell greed. Speaking of that, let's look into the fear and greed index. And we could see that last week, all right, neutral. Yesterday, the greed was up to 66. Last month, it was an extreme greed. I showed you guys where if you literally just buy fear and sell greed, you'll be okay as long as you know where we are, all right? Just where we are, good people. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. I'm not going to hold this one out too long. Let's look at some of the memes. Let's just look at a few, right? And actually, good people, this is not bad. Like I said, they're lagging. So if you look at the 24, these memes are doing well, all things considered. 10% Doge, 8 on SHIB, Pepe 9, you see that? Bunk 11. So they're not even doing bad. This, for those of you that are new to crypto, this is not bad. We got Mog Coin moving up, right? Boom. All right. And then we got Fart Coin. All right. I'm not going to do the ripping joke because I don't want to wear that out. But you guys get it. So the question is, will this sell-off continue or will it rebound on tomorrow? Okay, let's see what the pre-markets look like even now, though it could change. This is not something that you use as a rule of thumb. Let's see what the pre-market is doing now. Now, remember, a lot could change. But the pre-market so far, which is pre-market, because we're the day before, we're looking okay, all right? We're looking okay. You see the implied open, the Dow futures positive 18, 14, and then the NASDAQ is positive 7. But you guys have seen it time after time. This has been shakeout, just like the crypto. The loans were just wiped out. But you will see in the morning, just like this morning, the market goes green and then boom, sell off, right? Right at open. And then you'll see a reversal of that. So this is just another period where weak hands are going to get shaken off. And if it comes down further, then so be it. Because last week, I literally just told you guys last week, the best thing that you could do is to get some dry powder. If you're long crypto like I am. And again, never invest any money that you can't leave in there for 4 years, right? We're going to dig into that a little deeper in another video. I just wanted to come on and just shine a light. When in doubt, zoom out, go out a week, go out a month, and then breathe, okay? All right, so I'm going to leave it right there. You guys leave me a comment on what you think is going on. One other thing I wanted to show you guys because of what it is today. Let's see here. One other thing I want to show you guys. Today is that day, good people. Today is that day. All right. Coupon code EARN. Go ahead. Get it now. Listen, for everyone that has taken this class, all right, Stock Up You, it'll look like this. Stocks in crypto. But you have the best crypto chapter out there, the best crypto class out there. It's simple. Everybody can understand it. You will see a clear path to making money, and it pays for itself 10 times over, okay? So all I hear, all I see, comment after comment is, I wish I had this a month ago. I wish I had this last year. Listen, invest in yourself first and you're going to 10x the amount of money you make. The sooner you educate yourself first, the more money you're going to make. Now, this promo is finna end in hours. It'll be done by tomorrow morning. I'm leaving it for people in the Far East Coast, Hawaii and all of that. We have people all over the world, okay? But let me know what you think about this crypto. Are you buying? And if you're buying, leave me a comment on what you are buying. What are you buying right now? And on my next crypto video, I'm going to answer the question. You guys know the answer. Should I put all my money in the XRP? And because I'm talking about crypto and because XRP came out of my mouth, there will be a fake commercial And one of you may fall for it. It's spam. Don't fall for it. If you see anybody saying, Larry, nice job, but I got a question. My seed phrase, never share your seed phrase. No one is ever going to trade your crypto for you. Never send money. No one's ever going to trade. Oh, we can guarantee you 100% on your stocks. It's spam, and people are getting spammed every day. I don't want it to be you. Don't do it. All right. So in this one, I'm going to leave 2 links. One is going to be Stock Up You coupon code EARN, and the other one will be my Stock Crypto Club. That's what I'm calling it. It is my version of a Patreon. So check it out. There is no promo for that. That promo was done on the 1st. And we will see you tomorrow live with Keenan Grace and Stocks with Josh. Stockmo is going to the bowl, the football game. So he'll be on a flight. We'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.